Okay, now this is the second video of this fucking, oh god. Okay, this is cats. My best friend I'm talking about in every video. Okay, we're gonna do a I cannot speak. We're gonna do a duo. She cannot hear me. It's literally just a record voice. We do not. I don't think she has Discord. I don't know. We do not have a number though. I'm gonna text most of the time and then yes. I'm pretty sure she will watch it. Credits on her. Yeah. I literally talk about her in every fucking video. I do. I know this video is not for children again, because I have a habit of swearing a lot. I can wait, what? What a great duo start. Holy shit, why was Pebble grey? Huh? Okay, who saw me? There was another eye, man. Where's this second twisted, bro? Oh, there it is. Let me do this real quick. Boom. What the f... Okay, never mind. Cosmo was pretty close to me. That was kind of my fault. I forgot how fast this, I'm not gonna risk it though. I'm on 1. Texting while distracting. Wonderful. What? This looks funny. I just cutely hear her fail every fucking skill trick. Kaboosh. I'm gonna do it for Ico. I need V. I'm still farming for her, but I need blackouts for Brightney, which I'm not getting. Guess så elevator hockey. I see you. I think duos is fun. Let me right. I think you already said it down. Holy jumpscare. I have to be careful. When I'm not, I'm gonna die. And why was the fucking air horn on floor 1? That is true. He smacked me in different corners. Oh, we have blood already. Who else? Who else? Blood, yes. Who else? Box down. Come here, boy. You're not jumping, my friend. Not even one bit, if I'm one. How did I not get the message that she subbed me? Hello? YouTube? Do you have some brain damage right now? This is not nice. I need a name. I need to know it. I have to get it here. I'm gonna ask her how many speed paints I'm gonna make. You know what? If she sees this video, please tell me what speed paint I should make of a Twisted of Danish World. Or a Toon. Jesus Christ, what? Can I ask how that not hit? How did I not die? Okay, probably is my voice going to be super quiet in this video, but I don't really care. I do not have a microphone and I'm playing on fucking mobile. Hello, can I pick this capsule up? I need V. I need the icon. Give me the icon. I'm not gonna risk this capsule. No. Hello. Hi. Bye. Hello. Bye. I'm getting more silly in my videos, help me. I'm getting this silly virus. Is that a skill check? Yes, it is. I think my speaking English phrase is getting better and better. Every video. The first time I made a video with my voice, it was really bad. Internal suffering. But now it's better. When I speak in my high voice, it's better. Of course. Wait a second, where's last? For real, where? I'm gonna speak German in a second, bro. No, she did that already. Oh, I think I know. Oh, where? There you go. I'm watching a video on my TV. So randomly that I say that it's not even really important. It's just distracting me a little bit. Maybe I should have listened. I don't want to be a blindling. Oh, that's great. You're blindling with me. Bish. sorry. Thank you very much. Yeah, she's pretty welcome in my YouTube as I had to do that. Yeah. Is that another? It's another air horn. Yes, yes. I think after that video, please do not think that I'm obsessed with an air horn. Please don't. It's just literally my favorite item of scaring people. I have 1 air horn and 2 gumballs. The best thing ever. I already know this video is gonna be like 30 minutes long. I have to cut it a little. Only a little. Or not, I'm just gonna not edit it. And it's not gonna cut, it's just gonna be over 1 hour long. Maybe that. Just looks so stupid, man. Is this Pebble's POV? Yes, it is. I'm distracting in a small manner. Why did I say man in German? Mans. Men. Okay, nochmal. Okay, ich werde mal halt versalten, ne? Okay, now if she watches this video, please do not be confused about the German words I'm speaking sometimes. My language is very mixed up with the German and English. Oh no. She has to go, maybe? She has to go? It was fun playing. That's generally fine. Okay, now I'm gonna edit it. What am I doing? Did you leave? Tell me, how long do you want to stay, man? Gonna make me scared. Hello? Are you leaving? Yes or no? Hello? Oh yeah, no, okay. Bye, Pookies.